Here's some indirect rule trivia. Subscribe. What type of governance did indirect rule emphasize? Is it A, central governance, B, local governance, C, autocratic leadership, or D, direct democracy? The correct answer is B, local governance. What system did indirect rule replace in many colonies? Is it A, direct administration, B, colonial monarchy, C, economic exploitation, or D, local governance? The correct answer is A, direct administration. Which colonial power largely utilized indirect rule in Africa? Is it A, Britain, B, Belgium, C, Portugal, or D, France? The correct answer is A, Britain. What was a major benefit of indirect rule for colonial powers? Is it A, increased military presence, B, cultural assimilation, C, cost effectiveness, or D, total control? The correct answer is C, cost effectiveness. What key figure implemented indirect rule in Nigeria? Is it A, Nnamdi Azikiwe Obafemi Awolowo, C, Oba of Lagos, or D, Akinwumi Adesina? The correct answer is C, Oba of Lagos. What aspect of governance did indirect rule often compromise? Is it A, central authority, B, local autonomy, C, foreign relations, effective communication? The correct answer is A, central authority. What type of jurisdiction did native authorities have? Is it A, total independence, B, limited autonomy, C, unlimited authority, or D, complete sovereignty? The correct answer is B, limited autonomy. What legal system did indirect rule often incorporate? Is it A, customary law, B, statutory law, C, religious law, or D, maritime law? The correct answer is A, customary law. What movement challenged the effectiveness of indirect rule in Africa? Is it A, tribalism, B, neocolonialism, C, federalism, or D, Pan-Africanism? The correct answer is D, Pan-Africanism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.